The multi-year partnership has contributed towards our ocean program, forest program, mangrove program, and coastal ecosystem restoration and protection as well, across many different countries, from across the 6 countries that MSIG works in, and also our other important landscape and seascape. It has really contributed to the work that we want to do together as a mission to protect nature and people.
We already have support by MSIG to support this program, so we have more expand the activity from this program, like local community supporting development, so monitoring the biodiversity in this area. So it's a big impact and it's a big extra life for us. It's because of the supporting from MSIG.
So it's been a very meaningful and enriching experience for us to be here, to see the impact that the Green Wall project has made for the community, seeing the greenery being restored, animals coming back, and the alternative livelihood that this project provided for the community. So definitely very meaningful to see the corporate impact that we've made.
It's good for us to be here to see how we have been able to contribute to the biodiversity and helping people help the biodiversity and the communities that live around here.
Recently, as you know, climate change has been significantly year by year. So actually we could find the importance of protecting and conserving the wildlife in this opportunity.
I think that is quite fantastic. I realized that the Green Wall is a hotspot of biodiversity. There are lots of tall trees, long-tailed monk, and Jawa leopard. And we also to hear that MSIG support for the local community. I'm happy for that.
Dari program ini kami mendapatkan banyak manfaat. Yang dulunya lahan kami belum begitu hijau, sekarang menjadi hijau. Kemudian untuk satwa yang dulunya jarang bisa terlihat gampang di sini, mudah, seperti elang, kupu-kupu dan lain-lain, itu sekarang sudah gampang untuk bisa kami lihat.
I would like to thank you for MSIG for supporting local community here. It's like an alternative income here, where the community here support to protect and secure our forests in Green Wall around.
Imagining what was before the reforestation, and now seeing the fruits of the labor MSIG as a group company, as an insurance company doing for the society, also to combat the climate change, which is a very important topic for us in the insurance industry.
It's been wonderful being part of the Green Wall project after 3 years, seeing what has come out of fruition. And it's been great working and collaborating together with the local government, the local communities as well as stakeholders. It's been very meaningful and purposeful work, and especially when we see how the work has actually benefited the communities. So I'm so proud to be part of the company. That MSIG truly believes that protecting biodiversity is the insurance for a sustainable future.